Intestinal obstruction. Introduction. The small intestine is where most nutrients are digested and absorbed into the body. Select true or false. Correct. The small intestine is the longest part of your digestive system. It is where most nutrients are digested and absorbed into the body. Eric is having sharp cramps in his abdomen. He has also been having trouble passing stool. Should he contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Cramps and constipation may be signs of a problem. Eric should contact his healthcare provider. Intestinal obstruction can be caused by a blockage in the intestine. Select true or false. Correct. Intestinal obstruction can be caused by something that physically blocks the intestine. Intestinal obstruction is almost always treated at a healthcare facility. Select true or false. Correct. Intestinal obstruction requires the attention of a healthcare provider. Your healthcare provider may recommend surgery to treat the obstruction. Thank you for using Explain.